It's Essen 2021. I'm at AP Sportfahrwerke, where tuning your car costs less. These coilovers, well, they're an homage to the KW Variant 1 coilover. They don't feature a damper adjustable coilover, but a height adjustable, meaning it can cost less to still modify your car and get the look you're after. As you can see behind me, this incredible Mark II Golf riding on a set of those coilovers. Let's take a look around. These are steel-bodied, zinc-plated manufactured coilovers with the aluminium height adjustable platforms, the helper spring, and obviously the coil and the uprated top mounts. The company also supplies lowering springs, so you can use your OE shocks and lower the car still and get that feel and look that you're looking for. And over the other side, we take a walk around. AP, in fact, make their own OE replaceable dampers. That means that you can get exact factory fitting dampers, but with a little bit more upgrade in the stiffness of the bump and rebound and the lowering. Klaus explains why AP is a great way to introduce more people into the tuning community.
You see, we all, start somewhere, somehow. Yeah, we mature over time, and, AP for us is like our entry-level product line. People who want to have a reliable quality, from, an experienced partner. They will find, probably the best product for value within the AP brand. It's quite a solid quality at a reasonable price and offers, the best value for money, and that's what AP should be known for.
Let's hear from the guys on what it's like bringing the brand back to Essen.
I'm Dennis. I work in the sales department for KW and of course for AP, for our brand, for the end customers. And yes, it's nice to be here in Essen. It's the most popular fair in Europe, and it's nice to be here again, to meet the customers, to meet our dealers, and yes, to have a great time here. So yeah, for 2022 we will develop more kits for the most popular cars to cover a bigger range.
So there we go. There is AP Sportfahrwerke here at the Essen Motor Show.